New 2018 iPhone X Plus, iPhone 9, all the rumors, price, specs, and release date. As the 1st of September coming, the rumors about the coming iPhone seem to pop up. A new rumor regarding the iPad mini appeared. Hawaei has reported that there is no plan to update the iPad mini. If this rumor is right, it may point to that Apple is moving forward on a new iPhone with a large screen. The coming iPad mini could be seen as a competitor to the larger iPhone X. The rumors not only mentioned the new iPhone from Apple, which will be launched in September. Many other speculations continue to circulate about another 2 iPhones. And another one with 3 back cameras like Hawaii P20 Pro. There are expectations that Apple will release the larger version of iPhone X and will be called iPhone X Plus. And also it will release a cheaper version of iPhone X. Surprise, although iPhone X was the most expensive released phone, $999, this wasn't an obstacle to many users. iPhone X was the highest selling phone for the first 3 months of 2018. Of course, if Apple released an affordable version of iPhone X, it will take its place largely in the market. Apple always change the design and add many features to its released phones and iPads, but in the coming release Apple will add more choices than expected, like new materials and colors, and as expected much upgrade of processor speed, screen resolution and better battery life. Does iPhones of 2018 will be slower than Android's phones? Qualcomm financial chef George Davis has reported that Apple might not continue to supply its phones with Qualcomm chips. Also, he said that Apple intend to use their competitor chips. He mean by their competitor the Intel. Intel chips are publicly known that they are slower than Qualcomm chips. Qualcomm chips are known that they are faster than Intel chips in data download. We just have to wait until the iPhones are released, then only the tests will approve or deny this conception. Rumor, is it right that on-budget LCD new iPhone will not be shipped before October? There is a rumor saying that Apple will launch 3 iPhone this year 2018. 2 of them will have an OLED screens as usual, and the other one will get an LCD screen. That means that the iPhone with LCD screen will be cheaper than the other 2. It's expected that the 2 iPhones with OLED screens will be shipped in September 2018, but the phone with the new LCD screen will be delayed until October 2018. The new phones with OLED screen will have a screen size of 5.8 inch and a larger one with 6.5 inch. The third iPhone will come with LCD screen size of 6.1 inch. Release date of the new 2018 iPhones. Although Apple didn't officially announce it is a release date for the new iPhone in 2015, but the usual date of new products from Apple usually come in September. So the release date will be in September. Some people expect to be September 9, 2018, and another group believe that it will be September 12, 2018.